Bihar stands at the crossroads once again, as the stage is set for another assembly election. Voters are weighing their choices between dynastic politics, underperforming opposition, and promises of development. The Bharatiya Janata Party, riding a wave of organizational strength and welfare-driven governance, appears ready to capitalize on public disillusionment with the Lalu Yadav family and the Congress. In a state where performance often outweighs legacy, the upcoming polls could well reaffirm BJP's dominance, signaling a decisive shift in Bihar's political narrative. For decades, the Rashtriya Janata Dal or the RJD led by Lalu Prasad Yadav and his family dominated Bihar's politics. However, repeated corruption cases, governance lapses, and allegations of nepotism have eroded public trust. According to a recent survey, majority of voters expressed dissatisfaction with RJD's leadership, citing ineffective governance and unfulfilled promises. The Yadav family's perceived inability to address law and order, unemployment, and rural development has created an opportunity for alternatives in the state. The Congress, once a major player in Bihar, has seen its presence shrink dramatically. In the 2020 assembly elections, the party managed just 19 seats out of 243, highlighting its weak organizational reach and inability to connect with grassroots voters. Without a stronger counter-narrative, Congress struggles to pose a credible challenge to the BJP-RJD dynamic. The Bharatiya Janata Party has systematically strengthened its grassroots network across Bihar. Its emphasis on infrastructure, development, farmer welfare, women empowerment, and youth employment schemes resonates widely. Reports indicate that schemes such as the PM Kisan Samman Nidhi and Ujjwal Yojana have reached over 1 crore beneficiaries in Bihar, boosting the party's credibility among rural voters. Strategic alliances have further strengthened BJP's position. By consolidating anti-RJD votes through allies like Janata Dal and others, the BJP presents a united front. Surveys also shows that the majority of voters prefer a stable, development-oriented government, signaling a tilt in favor of the BJP. The upcoming elections are likely to reflect Bihar's desire for stability over dynastic politics. With public faith in the Lalu family declining and Congress struggling to mobilize support, BJP appears well positioned to retain power. Its narrative of performance-based governance, coupled with welfare and development initiatives, aligns with voters' aspirations for a better future. In a state wary of political theatrics and unfulfilled promises, the BJP is emerging as the party of choice. Bihar's electorate seems ready to reward governance over legacy, giving the party a strong chance to shape the state's trajectory once again.